In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Massachusetts State. First, open the official Massachusetts Registry of Motor Vehicles website and navigate to the online payment portal for citations. If you already know the direct citation payment page, you can go there right away. Both routes take you to the same secure system. Before you begin, have your traffic ticket and your driver's license within reach. This will make the process smoother and help you avoid timeouts or errors. If your citation was issued very recently, don't worry if you can't find it immediately. In Massachusetts, it can take several business days and sometimes up to 2 weeks for a citation to appear in the online system. A not found message during this window is normal. Simply check back periodically rather than attempting multiple payments. Once your ticket is available, you'll be prompted to enter identifying details. You'll typically need your citation number, your driver's license number, your last name, and your date of birth. Type everything exactly as it appears on your ticket. Pay special attention to numbers, dashes, and spelling. Small mismatches can cause the system to return no results. After you submit that information, the system will display your citation summary. Take a moment to review the violation details, the fine amount, any additional fees or surcharges, and the payment options. Massachusetts may include mandatory assessments, such as certain court or head injury fees, depending on the violation type. Seeing those listed is expected, and they will be included in your total. When you're ready to pay, choose your method. The online portal typically accepts major credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express, as well as debit cards. A small convenience fee may apply to online transactions, and you'll see that amount before you confirm. For a smooth checkout, ensure your billing address matches your card and use a secure, stable internet connection. Avoid refreshing the page or clicking the back button while the payment is processing. After your payment goes through, save your proof immediately. Screenshot or print the confirmation page, and if an email receipt is offered, save that too. Keep this documentation in a safe place so you can reference the payment details later if needed. That's all there is to it. By using the official RMV portal, entering your information exactly as shown on your ticket, carefully reviewing the charges, and saving your receipt, you can quickly and confidently pay a Massachusetts traffic ticket online from start to finish.